Yo guys, what's going on? So today, I got this really giant box here. This is probably like 6.5 feet long. Yeah, it's pretty big, but pretty light. Yeah, so I got this package from Aeroflow Dynamics. So I'll link in the description for you guys to go check them out. See if you guys are getting any car parts for your car. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to install all this goodies inside here. So it's gonna be an unboxing and an install video all in one. So yeah. Yeah, my cat is trying to help open the box. She's crazy. Yeah, back up. Alright, so first of all, these are going to be front canards for the car. There's 2 sets, 2 for each side. Yeah, it looks like they got all the hardware, some weather stripping mold, which is awesome. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take one out. Alright, so yeah, this feels like it's made out of aluminum, 4043, I'm going to assume. And also, the finish is gloss black as well, which actually matched the front splitter and the gloss on the front lip as well, which is awesome. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, so as you can kind of tell what that is, I gotta say the packaging, like all the bags and all the bubble wrap they put in, is really high quality. Your parts are gonna be safe when they ship. You can barely get this in frame, but this is the front splitter for the car. This is their V2 version, which has the little fins coming off the side. Also, aluminum, another grade, and then also the same finish, nice gloss black. So it's a really high quality product. It's not plastic or anything, so it will be nice and durable. Alright, and last but not least, so this is all the parts you can get for the 0405 WRX and SDI. So, and they're attached. Also, all these kits do include their own hardware, so these are self-tapping screws for the side skirts to bolt onto your original side skirts as well. There's all the bolts for the front splitter. So, same thing, this is their V2 version of the side skirt extensions. So all these holes are already pre-drilled, which is awesome because, yeah, drilling through metal is not the easiest, but aluminum is. Got the side fin on there for the more aggressive look. Same finish, gloss black. It's gonna look so aggressive. Hello. Perfect. So let's go ahead and install all this. Alright guys, so back in my parents' garage here, gonna install the side skirts, canards, and the front splitter as well. I do have splitter rods coming for this as well. They're in carbon fiber. Did have to order them from a different site, so that's why they're not here yet. So I'm gonna throw all this on right now. I'm gonna make it into a 3-part video here. So right now I'm gonna do the side skirts as this video with the unboxing and whatnot. And then next video we'll do the canards on how to position it where you want it, make it match on both sides, and then we'll get the splitter on last, and then in the splitter video I'll do like an overall review on all these Aeroflow Dynamics parts. For right now, what I'm just seeing, they fit pretty nice. Yeah, they're all metal, they're very durable, very lightweight, so you won't really have to worry about any additional weight. Get all that downforce goodness, if you want to say. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these 2 side skirts installed. So I don't have my lens. It sucks because I have to film so far away now. But first thing of all I'm gonna do is jack up the car and we'll go from there. Okay, so now I got the car jacked up here. So as you can see here, there's a little lip on the side skirt down here, and then if you follow it all the way along, it is nice and flat to the ground, so that gives you a nice playing field to actually drill all your holes. So line up all the holes along that flat spot down there, and your side skirt will be nice and flat on the ground. And yeah, so I'm gonna line up the back of the side skirt down here, right to the back of the wheel well, to make it look good, and then wherever the front goes, that's where it'll be, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So yeah, you want to jack up your car really high. I do have a drill, because these are self-tapping screws, so they're gonna actually drill right through the side skirt here. If you don't want to drill through your side skirt, these are not the ones for you. Go get custom made ones that'll actually fit inside your factory holes, and it'll bolt on to your side skirt as well. But other than that, you won't see the holes. Even if you take the side skirt off, it'll be fine, because no one's gonna look under your car, even if it's lowered, so you should be good. So yeah, that's basically the plan of attack that I'm gonna go on. There's no instructions for any of these parts, so basically I'm just winging it. I'm just seeing what's on the car and then what I have to do in order to compensate to make it actually look good. So yeah, that's what I got going on. So I'm gonna start at the back here and work my way up. Also, this is plastic, you're drilling into plastic, and with self-tapping screws, you don't want to over tighten them, because if you tighten them too much, you'll strip the plastic and then it will not hold. So basically, drill where you need to, get the self-tapping screw probably about 3/4 to 7/8 of the way through, and then after I would suggest to use a wrench for the rest of the way so you don't over tighten them and strip it, because you don't want this thing falling off, because basically there's only one place to put it on your side skirt, and if it looks jank, you really can't fix it. So highly recommend it. So this is the drill bit I have. So basically it's a socket, it's a 1/4 inch socket for this set of self-tapping screws here, and then it has a little 3/8 bit on the other side, so this will go into a 3/8 drive, and then we'll just right into the side skirt. Look good. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I had to move the jack further in the car because the side skirt was gonna interfere with it. So let's try this again. Alright, get everything set up, got a light so I can actually see, got my drill plugged in, and yeah, got my screws ready to go where I need it to go. Bring you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, just doing the other side here. So let's see if I can actually show you where I put these. Alright, so side skirt just barely is flush with the end of the actual side skirt on the car. And then this second hole right there. Yeah, that second hole, this first hole here. And another second hole there. And then there's a little mark on the car. As you can see, there's a little flat spot there. That's where I put the hole. So once I got that all situated, went onto this side, and there's a straight part at the side skirt, and then it kind of gives a little 90-degree bend. I basically lined up the end of the side skirt here to that recess. So that basically kind of gave me the nice straight look that basically it should have. So that's where I put my side skirt, and it looks pretty damn well good. So I'm pretty sure if you guys look closely, there's a hole right there. And then what I've noticed is this bottom of the side skirt is not literally straight. So yeah, there's some holes like here and then right in the middle that are not gonna be drilled, because either they're gonna be sticking out and then it'll actually make the side skirt flip sideways, so I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm just gonna be doing the ones that are actually gonna be actually flush to the side skirt, and it'll actually make it look better. So, and I'm pretty sure about 6 or 7 will be sufficient enough to hold the side skirt in. So I'm just gonna keep on going with it and show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, so on second thought, after looking at it, it did kind of sag wherever I didn't put in some self-tappers, but now she's really solid. So, as you can notice right over here, no you cannot. There you go, see, there's a screw right there. You can obviously tell there is a screw. So, that basically happens when you're tapping into the aluminum and the plastic at the same time. Kind of separates a little bit. So basically what you gotta do is, you wanna take this screw out all the way until it's not drilled into the plastic anymore, and then just drill it back in and then it'll suck it in. So, because they're basically both threaded now, so you wanna kinda close the gap, and then they'll thread together, and then it'll be nice and solid. Alright, so basically, that's all you gotta do. Basically line it up where you want it. So I'll show you on the other side where I ended up lining both ends to make them match, because it's actually pretty easy. Just follow the bottom line and then it'll look very similar. So once it's on the ground, you won't even be able to tell that there are bolts in there, which is basically kind of what you want. So yeah, after this I'll show you guys what the side skirts look like. Okay guys, so that's basically what the side skirt looks like. Pretty good fitment for being a piece of aluminum, laser cut and whatnot. So yeah, looks pretty aggressive, and yeah, basically just do this to the other side and you'll have a set of side skirt. No problem. Sweet. Alright guys, so be sure to check out my next video. I'm going to be doing the canard install on my 2005 STI. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you want notifications whenever I upload, just make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because YouTube doesn't send any notifications unless you don't do that. So yeah, you guys go ahead and do that, that'd be great. Yeah, if you guys want to leave a comment, these are not permanent, you can definitely take them out. And yeah, if you get actual fitted side skirts, it will cover all those holes and you'll be fine. You won't even know there were other side skirts on there. So perfect, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.